Hi there, today I'm going to tell you how you can register your location on Meta like Facebook or Instagram Maps and scale your business there. First of all, you need to open the Facebook, then you need to open your page. If you don't have a page, you need to create one because the location can't be registered separately on Instagram. Just you need to have Facebook and Facebook page as well to register to your location. So first of all, you need to open your page, then go into about section, then click on details, then click on address. You can put your business address here. I'm putting a random address here for the moment just to show you how it works. City would be the London, then the postal code WCIX, X and 8PX. Neighborhood could be empty or you can put something there just to precise your location, and then you will see the pin which is in C currently, and that's where people make mistakes. They usually don't care about the pin location and just submit the address, and then they say like the location of my business is not appearing. So to make sure your business location appear must, you need to drop the pin on precise location, or at least a little bit precise. Okay, let's move it to London. You can open the Google map parallel to it just to locate where your location is. So my location is in London, so I will drop my pin here. So that's my location. I locked the location and put the everything else details here, and then I'm clicking on save. Showing the location usually took some time, maybe 3 or 4 days, or sometimes an hour as well, depending on the region priority to Meta. So I have registered our business location already on Facebook. So I will demonstrate here to you. So this is our page, and we have registered the location here. This is the location that we have registered, and when we are going to post something on Instagram or on Facebook, our location appears here when we type our business name. So you can see my business is selected and my location is pinned. This is how the system works. If your location selection isn't working, you can drop in comments and we will discuss the better solution for you. Thanks so much for watching the videos. Hope to see you in more.